My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. The Jordan 1 Turbo Green in grade school size is just restocked on Kith and I managed to get one. Four. Checked out 2, 3. I got 3. I just got another one, size 6. I got another one, size 5. Holy sh**. Yeah, I think I just got another one. It is March 11th and I just copped another GS Turbo Green Jordan 1 from Extra Butter using a quick task from Kickstation, and I'm not sure if that was supposed to happen because when I looked at the product page it said order form, and usually that means you're not supposed to have checked out, but my bot checked out anyway. So there were rumors that there was only 11 in stock and I happened to get one of them. I think that's pretty impressive. I'm about to head out to Stadium Goods to drop off my brick sizes Turbo Greens, and then after that I'm gonna head out to my buyer so I can sell them my grade school size Turbo Greens. We just picked up a Turbo Green GS size. They dropped really early and I wasn't there to get it on the initial drop, but then I started running Eve for restocks and what do you know, I got one. I didn't expect to get one, but I got one. It is Thursday, March 14th, and CJ told me that he wanted the wolf jackets from Supreme this week. We're gonna see if we can get them. Payment refused. Got one! Let's go! Waiting for CAPTCHA. Come on, CAPTCHA, show up, show up. Show yourself. Out of stock. Waiting for CAPTCHA. Oh, why are my CAPTCHAs not showing up? Let's take a look. No way, dude! I got the black one! Dude, I got the black small! My buyer is gonna be really happy about this, and I'm really happy about this. I got you, boy! Size small black. On my way home from the doctor's office, I went into Foot Locker because it was just right across the street, and I happened to see these sitting on the shelves. And I asked them if I could use my Platinum Rewards discount, and they said yes, but you can only do it for one shoe. So boom, I copped the one shoe, and then after that Joy was on her way home from school, so then she met up with me around Foot Locker, and then boom, we ended up getting 2 shoes. Now these are gonna go to Stock X, so a nice little come up for a somewhat quiet day. In other news, the first shipment of Yeezy 700s came in, so we're going to take a look at how the inertias look like in hand. This is more or less how I exactly expected it to look like in hand. Clean AF. So I've got 12 Yeezys in total. I've already pre-sold 2, and the other 10 I'm going to sell to my buyer CJ. I'm also going to be selling my wolf jacket to him. So we've got a lot of money to make. And also, I've got another bot. Let's see what we can do with it. You guys like free stuff? Who doesn't like free stuff? Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram at BotterBoyNova. I do giveaways here and there. See ya.